Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Notion for software product management, your essential guide for 2025. First up, let's set up your Notion workspace for your product. This will involve creating a new workspace, then adding members of your team. This is a critical step because it helps to centralize all of your product information in one place, which promotes collaboration and transparency among your team. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a product roadmap. You can use Notion's built-in templates for this, or create your own from scratch. You'll want to include key categories like features, deadlines, and assignees. The reason we do this is to provide a visual timeline of what needs to be done when and by whom. It helps keep everyone on the same page and aligned with the project goals. Next, we'll use Notion's unique database features to manage your product backlog. The idea here is to create a database for storing and prioritizing all your product-related tasks. You can add properties for status, priority, and estimated effort. This helps us because it allows for a systematic way to manage and prioritize work based on business impact and effort. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By using Notion's database, we're streamlining our process management, making it easier to view, update, and prioritize our tasks. Finally, let's talk about documentation. With Notion, you can create a wiki or a central knowledge base for your product. This can include anything from user manuals, technical specifications, to design guidelines. Such documentation is integral to product management as it ensures everyone involved has easy access to crucial information they need to do their jobs. And with that, we've covered the basics of using Notion for software product management. Remember, Notion is a powerful tool, and the more you use it, the more you'll discover new ways to make it work for your team and your product management needs. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring and innovating.